Hello Elden Ring lovers and runners, I am Kawa. Now in this video I'm trying to explain 3 ways which China's team found to fastly kill Caelid Deathbird by getting him 4. Now 4Q is a self-made word to describe this strat. For example, the Lindo Draconic Tree Sentinel Curry Cliff Q. Yesterday I studied the nearly 2000 lines of Deathbird AI code for hours to find out what's exactly going on with him. Let's begin with 3 easiest positions or spots that we found and started on. 1. The Ori spot. Iridium Ori recently got his AR glitchless world record by his own spot at October the 23rd. That's here.
哎，这什么？看下一张。好。
So where the Ori spot is? Firstly, we got here. We get into combat. Then we manipulate the Deathbird AI to close range mode. Okay. He out, okay. Step by step. And now we are at the edge. And trying to dodge every attack he made. Okay, he yelled again. We wait. Okay, he jumped. This is called the left hand jump. So the Ori spot and the root spot require keeping in close combat range. Some manipulating strats. The spot can potentially kill him by this Deathbird animation IDs. 3002, 3012, 3019. Here are the odds. You can see they are mostly distance related, which means the closer you get to the boss, the more likely you can get him for. I marked the odds as ideal because sometimes the bird just stuck there and don't want to fall. The Ori spot have probabilities advantages, but not safe at all. You would need to be familiar with boss attacks. 2. The root spot, and the most recommended one, is the original spot that people found to 4Q Deathbird. You need to manipulate his AI to the right side of the root. It's way more safer, and don't need to dodge most of his attacks. Then jump here, and wait. The same as the Ori spot, keeping close range. The spot can potentially kill him by these Deathbird animations. 3012, 3025, and 3026. A strategy newly found by me is that if he made a left hand jump or a right hand jump that you don't want, just roll on him and go to the Ori spot. Okay, you get the point. 3. The corner spot. It's a spot that found by me. It has lowest success rate. We just pull away from him and jump to some sort of corner and wait. If he spin up to air twice, it would be the fastest way to kill him. If not succeed, I recommend to run around him and jump again. Here's the odds. Though it has a lower weight than others, it's the only spot to get a kill in long range. The spot can potentially kill him by these deathbird animation IDs 3012, 3019, and 3025. You can see it's a long distance spin. At the end, our team members wish good luck to all speedrunners and players, and Happy New Year. Congrats to Ori's old Death Poker or Remembrance Glitchless 15017 world record, and Arzu aka Malikas Separate Hunter sub 148. Thank you everyone.